In a fresh controversy that has gained traction across social media platforms, former Supreme Court Judge Markandeya Karju has strongly denied claims made by sections of Pakistani media that he has converted to Islam. The controversy began when several Pakistani-based social media pages circulated posts alleging that Karju has accepted Islam. These claims quickly went viral, drawing attention from audiences in both India and Pakistan. Responding to the claims, Karju took to X to issue a clear and direct clarification. He stated, "Some Pakistani media has falsely propagated that I have become a Muslim. So let me clarify, I am a confirmed atheist, but I respect all religions." The statement effectively puts to rest the rumors surrounding his alleged conversion. Karju, known for his outspoken and often controversial opinions, has consistently identified himself as an atheist in the past. He has also publicly advocated for rational thinking while maintaining that all religions deserve respect.